Hello lovelies, welcome back. Today we are making chicken and mushroom sauce that you can pair with white rice or spaghetti. If you want to know how I made this, keep watching and let's begin. First, I will cook down the mushroom which I have already washed properly. Next, I will add garlic and all-purpose seasoning. Mix gently and allow it to cook. You guys, you know mushroom contains so much water, so I normally cook it down so that it doesn't transfer so much moisture in my sauce. I will cover and allow it to cook for 8 minutes. 8 minutes later, I check on the mushroom. It has cooked down. And here is the moisture it has produced. I will stir and set it aside for later use. Next, I will add vegetable oil in my pan and allow it to heat up. I will proceed by adding my roughly blended onions and garlic. Allow it to fry for a while. Next, I will add my diced chicken thighs. And I will season with seasoning cubes, chili flakes and dark soy sauce. I will not add salt because the soy sauce contains salt. If you don't like soy sauce, please feel free to add salt and it will definitely turn out well. I will give it a good mix and allow it to cook for 5 to 7 minutes. 7 minutes later, I check on the chicken. It has produced some moisture. Next, I will add my preferred vegetables and I'm using green yellow bell peppers and spring onions. Next, I will add the cooked mushroom as well as the stock. To thicken the sauce, I will go in with my mixture of cornstarch and water. And at this point, I noticed that I needed more soy sauce. I'm going to add more. Mix properly, cover and allow it to cook for 5 minutes. And at this time, our sauce is ready. If you are still watching, that means you love this recipe. Please support me by sharing this video. Thank you. I hope you learned something from today's video. Thank you for watching and see you in my next one. Bye.